This peanut butter and chocolate granola is perfect for breakfast or as a snack. Let me show you how I make it at home. Let's start by melting the peanut butter. I'm using the water bath method. Add 1 cup of peanut butter to a bowl and place it over a saucepan with water. Let the water cook and the steam will heat up the bowl and then melt the peanut butter. Keep stirring as it melts. You can heat up the peanut butter on a pot directly. There is no problem. I prefer using a bowl so that I don't waste any peanut butter. This is the same bowl I'll use to mix the granola. See how loose it's becoming. This is chunky peanut butter, so it has some peanuts inside. Take the bowl off the heat. That looks perfect. Add half a cup of raw honey or any sweetener of your choice. Mix that in until they are well combined. For the chocolate flavor, add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and add it in. Add half a tablespoon of cinnamon powder and 1 teaspoon of salt for some flavor. Mix that in. These are the peanuts chunks I was telling you about. Next, add 3 cups of rolled oats, half a cup of pumpkin seeds, and half a cup of sunflower seeds. Do not use instant or porridge oats. We want our oats whole. You can use any other seeds that you like or have at hand. Mix that in. You're going to need to use a lot of energy here. Let's call it today's arm workout. Add 3/4 cups of unsalted and unroasted macadamia nuts or any nuts you like. Work that in until they are well combined. If your nuts are salted, don't add any more salt to your granola. And if they are roasted, don't add them at this point. I'll tell you when to add them. Also, make sure you do everything faster before the peanut butter hardens. Otherwise, this part will need a lot more energy. That looks good. Line a large baking tray with some baking paper and add the granola. Spread it out evenly on the tray. We are going to bake these at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes in a preheated oven. After 15 minutes, take the granola out. Mix the granola around to prevent it from burning. Sprinkle some coconut flakes and mix that in. If you're using roasted nuts, this is the point where you add them. If you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more recipes. Thank you for being here. Return to the oven and bake for 15 more minutes. Once done, take it out. That looks good and smells amazing. Add some dried fruit. This has dried mangoes, pineapples, bananas, and figs. Top that up with some dark or white chocolate chips. Since the granola is still warm, some of the chocolate chips will melt into the granola, making it chocolatey and very delicious. Let that cool completely. Once cooled, mix everything around and break down any large pieces. To store the granola, use a dry and airtight container. One of my favorite ways to eat granola is with yogurt for breakfast. It's a perfect way to start your morning. Check out this video on 2 more ways you can eat your granola. See you there.